In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft To Do to assign tasks effectively, turning your shared lists into powerful collaborative tools for productivity. Let's dive straight into the process. First, you'll need to access Microsoft To Do through your preferred web browser. To do that, simply open the browser and enter Microsoft To Do into your search engine. This should lead you directly to the official page. Once there, you'll notice a sign-in button prominently displayed in the top right corner. Go ahead and click on it. If you already have a Microsoft account, simply enter your credentials and proceed. If not, you may need to take a moment to set one up, which is an easy process itself and worth doing if you want to make the most out of this tool. Now, before you can assign tasks to others, there's an essential prerequisite: sharing your to-do list. So, take a moment to share the list with the person or people you'll be collaborating with. If a list is personal and hasn't been shared yet, it's just a one-person tool. Sharing transforms it into a collaborative platform, opening the door for teamwork. This step might involve adding their email addresses and sending out invitations, so make sure everything is set up for them to join you online. Once you have a shared list, and it includes more than one member, you'll unlock the ability to assign tasks. This is where teamwork truly begins, as assigning tasks can greatly enhance how you manage projects together. Navigate to the shared list you're working on, and identify the specific task you wish to delegate. When you click on that task, it will reveal a detailed view with various options and information related to it. In this task detail view, direct your attention towards the Assign To option. This tool is straightforward but immensely effective. Select it, and you'll be presented with a list of people who have access to your shared list. From here, simply choose the name of the person you'd like to assign the task to. It's as easy as that. They will be notified of their new responsibility, allowing for a seamless workflow and ensuring everyone is on the same page. With these steps, you can now effortlessly manage tasks within your team using Microsoft To Do. Following these directions will not only make assigning tasks a breeze, but also improve your team's overall productivity and communication. Remember, effective task management is key to successful collaboration. Enjoy enhancing your project management skills with Microsoft To Do, and watch as your efficiency grows. Thank you for tuning in, and happy tasking.